Hey guys, welcome to your very own YouTube channel Success Sequence, where we daily analyze Nifty Bank Nifty's expected move on important level for the next day. So in my previous video, I did mention that since the Nifty has broken out of the range which we have been expecting to act as a resistance, did broke out the out this range, and so we have to cover up our short position. But what you can see now is finally the a move after the this huge candle, green candle, is suggesting sort of uncertainty, and it is also indicating that the market might feel a resistance near the higher level, which is around is 55 days exponential moving average. So if market faces resistance near this particular range, market can go down from this particular levels till the previous lows which it has tested. So in today's video we are going to analyze the how much there is a chance of this move will take place, what are the technical indicators are suggesting, what are the position market participants have made. All those things we are going to analyze. So first let us analyze option activity range for the Nifty. 10,000 to 11,000 is a broad option activity range for the Nifty. If you see the option data, what you can see is a call long is getting covered and a call writing has happened. In spite of this green move, market participants have created a call writing position towards a high level. Thus you can see a sort of a doji kind of pattern is getting appeared on a high level. So after a good sort of up move, if you see this kind of pattern where there remains a very small body, and the tail and a big portion is quite dominating, you can definitely expect that the market has did some ups and downs, and the bulls and bear are trying very hard to keep up their pace. But now from here what we can expect is for that we need to analyze the entire option activity range and the technical indicators, and we need to decide whether this resistance is going to act or not. But let me tell you something, if you get this kind of if you get this kind of pattern, you can definitely get a good sort of risk reward ratio, because if the market faces resistance from here, it can go very down broadly till 10,105 kind of level. But you have a very short risk to take, which is the 55 days exponential moving average. So you can see that if the market opens somewhat nearby this particular level, you can definitely take a small bit of risk in expectation of gaining high reward. So since I have already suggested that the call participants have created a position of call writing, which is most likely suggesting that the market participants are facing resistance at a high level. Apart from that, what you can see on a put side is fresh bearish position is getting created. Maximum change in open interest has happened near 10,300 level, change of about 6,27,000 shares. A fresh bearish position is also getting has got created. So it is also suggesting that the market participants are seeing the Nifty below 10,300 level, and that's the only reason they have created such aggressive position. But if you see the technical indicators are suggesting otherwise, because you can definitely see that the CCI has broken out from its exponential average zone. MACD is also creating a bullish crossover near zero line after getting break from the exponential average zone. CCI, MACD is also already suggesting a good sort of up move is likely to come up, but the RSI is also suggesting that the exponential average has broken. However, it is suggesting some sort of resistance at a high level. So all in all, the technical indicators are suggesting that the up move should continue. Option chart data and the analysis of moving averages are suggesting that the resistance might hold. So in the what you can do is let the market open, and if the market opens around this particular level near the opening or closing price, what you can do is you can take the previous candles high as a as a resistance or as a stop loss, and you can go short. If the market trades near this particular level, you can definitely scare off your position. But if the market faces a resistance at this particular level, it can go down, as I have already mentioned in my previous video. So the timing is something which you will not be able to do unless and until you are able to hold on to your position. Further, if you see the monthly chart, you can definitely see that the white line, which is 8 days simple moving average, has been acting as a resistance for this up move. So if the market closes above this particular range, which is let me just broaden the chart bit, which is 10,356, you can definitely expect that the bearish crossover which is placed on the monthly charts has been invalidated, and you can definitely expect a rally to continue. But what I have a feeling is that 10,356 will act as a strong resistance for the market, and most likely market will take a U-turn from here and the down move should resume. Okay guys, so that was my analysis for the Nifty. Let me just share my analysis of the Bank Nifty to you as well. So if you see, the broad option activity range for the Bank Nifty is around 22,500 to 25,500. So let me just pull up the technical chart of Bank Nifty. Okay, so here is the Nifty Bank chart, almost 100 points up. So if you see the put data, you can see a fresh bearish position is getting created. Apart from that, if you see on a high side, uh, on a higher side, what you can see is put trading has happened about 23,900 level. So though the market participants are expecting a resistance at a higher level, they are also expecting a support at a lower level, like 23,900 should be seen as a good support for the market as of now. Let me just shorten the chart bit. Okay, let me just pull up my data. Okay, so what I can see here on a call side, I can see that the good amount of call short is has got covered. So this is also suggesting a stable to bullish kind of move. So if you have observed, the Nifty is though suggesting a sort of bearish move, the Bank Nifty is suggesting a bullish move. What you can do in this particular range is, since the Bank Nifty has already closing above, have closed above its 144 days exponential moving average and trading above that level, you can now wait for the Bank Nifty to trade above its 144 days exponential average. If that happens, you can definitely expect up move to continue in Bank Nifty. So it's quite a unique situation where the Nifty is suggesting a sort of stable to bearish kind of formation, where the Bank Nifty is suggesting a good sort of up move till 25,000 level. So that's the only reason we have not created any position, because there is a confusion in the market. We will definitely reconcile the situation if at all it happens, and I'll definitely update to you on my WhatsApp broadcast. So that's it for today's video guys. If you want to learn the system that I have been using to generate a buy and sell signal, you can definitely check out the video description. You will find the detailed playlist there. Apart from that, if you want to join my channels which is on Telegram and WhatsApp, you can definitely ping me. In case if you have any doubt, comment, question or query, you should feel free to write in the comment section of the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends and family. Till today, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.